Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a background service in a ASP.NET Core MVC application. Let's get started. First, open a Visual Studio, click on Create a new project. Choose the ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller template and click Next. Enter the program name and click Next. Continue by clicking Next for the additional configuration options. Here, I created a new folder named Background Task Example to store the background process code. Next, I'm creating a new class named My Background Service. This class will inherit from the background service class. In this class, we will also inject an iLogger to log the background functionality. In the execute async method, add a while loop that runs until each connection request is true. Add a log information node to log the background running process. Then add a delay of 10 seconds so that the loop runs every 10 seconds. It is an asynchronous process. We will use the async keyword. Let's register background service as a hosted service. Open program.cs file and add the add hosted service. Let's run the application and check how the background process works. In the code command window, you can see the log updating every 10 seconds. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and happy coding.